BLNE Stock Analysis Price Predictions News. In this 1 minute video, I'll show you exactly how I will trade and analyze. You know, I'm the only guy in this world who's on 47,000 videos like this over 5 years, and it's all documented. And because it's all documented and I have all the data, I've seen what's actually making me money. Because the price is also pumping, guess what I'm here to do? I'm obviously looking to just double down on this beautiful bullish market. BLNE, I also have around 4 receipts there. Bro, no doubts about this. Here's my demand zone, and only if I see the price actually correcting down and giving me a shift, only then I will look to take it up. Everything else, pure noise. So that's BLNE. All I'm doing is waiting, and if you want to stay tuned, want to get free sauce, click the first link in the description. It's free. Not sure if I have even, yeah, I do have 4. But yeah, see you in the next one. Goodbye, Ninja.